Havells management is speaking about their latest deal with
Good morning,
Lloyd.
everybody. As you might be aware through the news reports, Havells India Limited has decided to acquire the consumer business of Lloyd Electric Limited. This business is in the business of marketing and selling air conditioners and other consumer durables, including LED panels, washing machines, etc. Havells has been looking at such opportunities which can expand its product profile into adjacencies through brand and distribution channel. Lloyd Electric has been a very old brand and also has revived its consumer business over the last 8 to 10 years and has the ability to expand into more product categories in the future. So looking at the strength of the present franchise, they are amongst the top 3 manufacturers of ACs in the country today, as well as the possibility to expand into more product categories. We believe that this is a great acquisition for Havells, and I think it puts us into a different orbit of getting into more product categories in the consumer durable sector.
Okay, we wanted to ask you a few questions with regards to margin. There's a huge difference between Lloyd and Havells margin. So how are you going to see it that it's maintained in the future?
Well, as I've already said, Lloyd has resurfaced its consumer brand in the last 8 to 10 years and has grown at a CAGR of almost about 50%. During this initial growth phase, their margins have been lower because of high spendings on the advertising and promotion. They've been spending close to about 4% on brand building, which I believe is the right thing to do at the start of any business. We believe now it's at the cusp of taking forward not only the growth but also expansion in margins. The industry per se is an industry where companies have been making double-digit margins, and we believe that Lloyd can also get into that journey and come closer to the Havells margins in the next few years. देखिए हैवेल्स की बैलेंस शीट काफ़ी देर से हेल्दी बैलेंस शीट रही है. पिछले कई सालों से वी हैव बीन अ डेट फ्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड ऑल्सो हैव बीन अ कैश रिच कंपनी. लास्ट ईयर हम लोगों ने सिल्वेनिया की जो डाइवेस्टमेंट की उससे भी कुछ फंड्स इकट्ठे हुए, बट दोज फंड्स वर अ वॉर चेस्ट फॉर न्यू एक्विजिशंस. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस फंड विल बी यूटिलाइज्ड for this acquisition. It will be done through mix of cash internal accruals as well as some debt, maybe 500 to 700 crores of debt, but that is just to maintain a healthy level of cash on the balance sheet. Otherwise, Havells has the potential to fund this entire acquisition through internal accruals.
What kind of supply agreement do you have with Lloyd? And you are usually mostly into manufacturing, so do we expect increase in capex?
Well, Havells will continue to source from Lloyd Electric the manufacturing of air conditioners, and it is one of the sources for manufacturing. It will continue to maintain very healthy relationships with other suppliers as well. Over a period of time, yes, Havells has always believed in brand and distribution backed with good manufacturing capabilities. I believe in the next 4 or 5 years, we would be looking at more expansion into manufacturing capacities for consumer durables as well. So yes, there will be some amount of capex in the next 4 to 5 years, but that will all be evaluated as to what would be the benefit in make versus buy.
Lloyd is a mass brand and Havells is a premium category brand. So how do you plan to marry both the brands together?
Well, we believe that Havells also is in the mass category. We are not in the niche brand segment. Havells is also into the mass category, but in the mass category we try and give better value for money products, get better energy efficiency products to the consumer, and hence we are able to get a little bit of a premium even in the mass premium category. Whereas we believe that Lloyd has also made an entry into the mass premium category, and maybe it is at the mid segment of the mass premium category. Over the next few years, we will develop Lloyd products into that positioning where it can come very close to the Havells positioning level, and we believe that is possible.
Will this brand acquisition be EPS accretive?
Well, we believe in the first year it will be EPS neutral, and going forward, yes, it will be EPS accretive.